Welcome to Marriott's Chariots, where we like to have fun with slot cars. So our first customer today, it's the classic Fiat Abarth. Well, let's see what he has to say. So it came as a complete kit from Reprotec. A bit fiddly in places, but nothing that a bit of modelling skills couldn't overcome, where the tight tolerances were on the wheel arches, engine bay, and otherwise very happy with it. So what does this guy want us to do? He wants it to go faster. He wants it to fly. Well, it's only the paint shop open today, but let's see what we can do for him. Well, welcome back. So what did we do to make the Fiat Abarth really fly? Well, of course, we gave him Red Bull wings. So yeah, happy with the way these water decals have gone on. So there we go. Just see it all around. Yeah, so really pleased with that. It's been an enjoyable little project. So yeah, thanks to Reprotec for the producing a model kit of the Fiat Abarth. It's really good. Thanks to Hopalong for the waterslide decals. So that was great. Had to cut a few of the yellow bits off just to make it fit better, but that was fantastic. And yeah, thanks to Jadlam, where I got the solutions from. So we got the micro set solution. That's the stage 1 for putting on the decals, and then once they're on, we used the micro sol stage 2. That just helps them really sink into the creases on the car. So yeah, thanks to Jadlam for getting those. Thanks to Hopalong for the car, for the decals, Reprotec for the car, and thanks to the one who made us in his image so that we can enjoy being creative. Cheers.